What is up, everyone? It's Kelsey with the product team at Aptible. And in the next 3 minutes, I'll show you how to completely transform your incident response using an AI SRE agent. We built this agent to securely and privately address the most painful parts of incident response, starting with the ones that we were feeling firsthand at Aptible. Our SREs and on-call engineers were spending too much time on manual investigations during incidents at the expense of more high-impact work. Knowledge silos within complex, unique systems were forcing reliance on just a handful of senior engineers, and all of this was leading to more downtime, stressed SREs, disappointed customers, and sometimes even lost revenue. We found that our customers were feeling the same pains, so we decided to do something about it. Let's jump into how Aptible AI has been built to essentially reinvent your incident response so that your team no longer hates being on call and you can always be improving your process. So I just got paged for a PagerDuty incident, and I'm not quite sure where to start. Let's hop into Slack and ask the agent for some help. Because Aptible AI integrates with your alerting systems, knowledge sources, and observability tools directly from Slack, I can share the link to the PagerDuty incident here and ask Aptible AI to look into it for me. You could also set it up to automatically start investigating as soon as the alert comes through to give your on-call engineers a head start before they even log on. It then responds in a thread with a runbook that it found, which looks promising here. It also provides a few suggested next steps based on its understanding of the runbook, and I can choose to execute next steps straight from Slack by clicking one of these buttons. The agent uses a multi-step research process, pulling relevant context from PagerDuty, runbooks, logs and metrics, support tickets, previous Slack conversations, and any other relevant data that it has access to. When you open the Threads tab in the web UI, you can look at the agent's thought process, including its self-rating system, to understand how it came to the answer that it sent back to Slack. To understand what data the bot has access to specifically, let's look at how these integrations are set up. Aptible AI is built to fit into your unique workflows, so when you set up additional integrations, you can customize the queries that you run with any given tool. You might have multiple integrations for the same provider, or maybe you have a particular metric from Datadog that you care about more than most organizations. And then besides third-party tools, Aptible AI can support custom integrations via a WebSocket-based proxy interface. The agent gathers all the data around root causes, summaries, and references in an insights dashboard to both improve the AI and to help your team automate future incident responses. The dashboard shows patterns in conversations like which documentation is used the most, which root causes occur most frequently, and which tenured engineers are pulled into the most incidents. This allows teams to identify potential areas for improvement and automation. If you're ready to transform your incident response into something your team no longer dreads, we would love to show you how. Sign up on aptible.ai and we'll be in touch to set up a demo customized just to your team.